All right. What's up, everybody? So today I figured I got to do a little bit of an oil change, and I figured why not show Mikey how to change the oil. Hey, what's up, Mikey?
Hi, what's up?
So we know that the drain plug is at the bottom. We'll be able to find that in a second. But we also need to locate the oil filter. And so I know where it is, and so I'm going to show Mikey right now. So the oil filter is going to be right here, and it's this kind of...
Yeah. That right there.
That be the thing. That's it. That's the oil filter. So we'll have to pull that off, and then we have to put the new one on. All right, so that's the filter. We pull the other one off, we'll match that. We'll just make sure it looks the same. Now, what we do is turn it over. So on this side, before we put the filter on, we're going to take some of the oil. We'll take the oil, and we're going to rub oil on this O-ring right here so it seats really nice and clean. So we want the oil to drain easily. Go ahead and unscrew that. Pull it straight up. There you go. Put it on top of the motor. Turn around. Turn around upside down. There you go. Take this with you, and you tell me if you could find the drain plug. What are you looking at?
This right here.
That's the drain plug. That is correct. Is it too big or too small?
Looks perfect.
There it goes. Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Ready? And there you go.
There it is.
Perfect. And just
hands.
let it sit. That's fine. I'll get you a towel. Just wipe it off. Just set it down there. That's fine. There you go. Good. Do one more time. All right, stop. You should be able to get your hands and be able to pull that right out. There you go. And if it goes, just let it drop. It'll probably drop. Perfect. Go ahead. You gotta wet the O-ring. Yep. Good. A little more. Go ahead and squat down there and do it. There you go.
So it goes right up in here. A little bit.
You'll know it's on because it'll stay there. There you go.
Yeah, it's on there.
All right, now get it on there and get it as tight as you can with your hand. Called hand tight.
Yeah.
All right, good. All right, so tell me, what have we done? So first we drained the oil.
Yeah, we drained the oil. Then we put the plug back on.
Right.
Then took the filter off.
Yep.
Put a new one on.
Replace the oil filter.
Now we're gonna put the oil on.
Now we're gonna replace the oil. That's all we got to do, right? What are we using?
We're using this
This is Lucas
oil.
oil.
It's like gooey stuff.
Castrol GTX. Go ahead. Oh yeah, nice and gooey. Back it up a little. Nope. Yeah, you're good. Here it comes.
Oh, wow.
Yep, it's gonna come. Nice and easy. Just keep it right over it. It's nice and slow. Because it's very thick.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Pull the dipstick out, wipe it. You need to wipe it now. You got to wipe it off. Now put it back in. Easiest to do two hands. There you go. All right. All right, now go ahead and pull it out. And then we'll see what it looks like. All right. It looks like we are
Looks like.
right there.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, it's up there. There you go. Go and put her back in. All right, drop the hood. Good job. That's it. Your first oil change done, complete.
Pretty easy.
Good job. You did a good job. Teach them young because you never know when they're going to have to do it on their own or do it for somebody else or anything like that. Good job. See you later.